everyone's doing well. Everyone is well rested. Just came back from my final lecture for the week, and this week has kind of been very slow in terms of just getting back into the groove of school. If you ever wonder if my body ever feels demotivated, doesn't really feel like doing anything, that was me since the beginning of this week. I'm not really mad at myself for it, because if I did do all those things, I don't necessarily think I would do them the correct way. And I don't like parrot learning. I actually want to remember everything I study. So yeah guys, I just had a very good afternoon. This morning I woke up, I was still in that mood, like the whole procrastination mood, you know. And now I just bumped into so many friendly faces and familiar people, and people who I never really built serious relationships with in varsity, but people who always just are just happy to see you when they see you, you know. And it just brightened up my mood, honestly. I got motivated by my classmates because they're just always there for me in terms of school, you know, like, no, you got this, girl. No, I also haven't started. I was feeling this way. You got this. Checking up on each other, how we've been, how was recess, and now I'm ready to dive into it. So I want to be ready for next week. So this entire weekend, I'm not resting. I'm just going to do my schoolwork and just finish off the work I have to do for the exams, because in the beginning of the week I was resting. But yeah, anyway, let's go get my life in order. I don't need to worry about dinner because I already meal prepped yesterday for 2 days though, because I don't like eating the same thing the entire week. I'm sorry, people who meal prep for an entire week, love that for you.
Please, I'd like to hear. I would not lay. And Mrs. Van Ryan's taste is not the same as Mrs. Russell.
Agnes, I cannot make vague promises about unforeseeable circumstances in an unknown.
Beside the cat. I'm sure she's a fine cause you could help with. I hope this not to be recommended. Van Ryan today. He's fishing for dinner.
So I just came back from doing my hair and I'm running a bit behind schedule. I am going to take pictures for Cotton On. I feel like this campaign just screams Babiki, you know? It's just so girly and so cute, you know? I'm just a girl. That's how I'm feeling. I have been feeling a bit weird lately, but it's okay. I'm slowly but surely getting back into my tune. Guys, I don't even know if the pictures are going to be okay. I don't want to add a lot of makeup, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Oh, guys, I've never done my makeup so quickly. Anyway, Auntie did my hair. I'm going to leave her. I feel so pretty. Yeah. Oh, I was feeling so sad. It was because my hair wasn't done, you know. I love Auntie. Like, she just always makes me feel so pretty. Like, every time after seeing Auntie, I just feel so good. She specializes in pondos, I tell you that, but she also does other hairstyles. cornrows, everything. Literally, there's nothing auntie can't do, that I can tell you. She installs wigs, the whole shebang, literally the whole shebang. And by the way guys, these are my own bundles, but I'm sure auntie can get you bundles. You just have to tell her that you're gonna need bundles. Also, I just love how I know what to do. Like, I know my makeup steps, I know what to do afterwards. Also put some blush on my face sometimes, I don't know why. Okay, I think this is the makeup look. Do you like it? I like it. My dress is wrinkled, the sun is setting. Changing the second outfit. The first pictures look okay. I hope they approve them. The sun is gone. Well. Oh. Here's the sushi I got. Oh, looks so good. Eat a rush. Eat a rush, oh baby, eat a rush. I can't. We still on schedule. I was actually kind of scared. I started off this semester a bit unsure. I don't know, I didn't have my game face on, but we're back. We are back. Oh, I have nice fists. Okay. How cute is this paper bag? It's literally giving Chanel. Like the black and white. Well, it's not black. I mean, it's not white, but so cute.
I look so crusty. Hi, Rocket, how are you?
Oh guys, I'm so happy. My Course Hero content got approved. Like, oh my goodness, I was so stressed because my content on content wasn't approved. It was honestly just stressing me out because I have been retaking these pictures and it's honestly so frustrating, you know. I'm gonna retake them today, later on the day, and then hopefully they get approved this time. Oh my goodness guys, yo, if only you guys knew. Like, I've been so frustrated. I've actually been so sad because, you know, but I have been trying to not let it get to me because I'm bigger than that. And I'm really trying to not let anything get me down, especially if it's honestly not necessary. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you, Course Hero. If you guys don't know what Course Hero is, by the way, it's like a study app. And I actually used to use it in first year when I had English literature. So I was actually in awe when they asked me to do a video for them.
Ne dis pas aux copains que je t'aime plus que tout. Ne dis pas aux copains ce qu'il y a entre nous. On s'est moqué d'eux.
Good morning, lovelies. I hope everyone's doing well. I have to shoot a video for my Instagram. I just wanted to show you guys the dress. Well, you're probably gonna see it before this vlog. Look at the detail. right? I'm quickly gonna go grocery shopping. Not a lot, I'm just gonna top up some things. And I'm wearing sandals. How cute. The sandals are from Cotton On. Shorts are also from Cotton On. This is actually part of the Heaven collection, I think. This is from H&M. And the bag is from Factory. And yeah. Where?
2, 3, 4. C'est l'histoire d'une fille pas trop compliquée pour une fois. Cherchant l'impossible, elle trouva que c'était une bonne idée d'avancer solo, de poser sur quelques mots.
I just got back. I was literally fighting for my life. There's all my groceries. I got a baguette. Is it a baguette? Baguette. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But I usually get rye bread or like whole wheat seeded bread. But I just wanted an Emily in Paris moment. And I was like, let me be in Paris. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have a sandwich for dinner tonight. So I restocked on my sunscreen, and I also got a new nail clipper. I also got a blisterberry lip balm, and then I got the Essence lip gloss. I have to change because I need to go and take pictures with you guys. Are not actually going to believe who I'm going to go take pictures with. But you'll see. The day you guys are going to see this dress on my feed, just know I went through the most to get the pictures there. Let me make a grand intro. Oh, sorry. Guys, say hi to Tato.
Hi guys.
How are you, Tato?
I'm doing good. How are you?
No, we're not good. I'm not gonna lie, we're not good. Oh, we're going to take pictures.
Slay.
Bonjour, I'm about to make dinner, and as promised, I'm gonna have I still can't pronounce that word, oh my goodness, but I want to say it in French. Let's see.
Je mange de la baguette pour le dîner.
Je mange de la baguette pour le dîner. Oh no! Yeah, let's play it one more time.
Je mange de la baguette pour le dîner.
Je mange de la baguette pour le dîner. Comme ci, comme ça. Whatever. I am Emily and I'm in Paris, and she also didn't know French, so. So, a quick taste test. That's how it's looking. Very, very healthy. I had to eat a healthy meal today because I couldn't go to the gym today. But how am I gonna bite this? That was a tiny bite. This was good.